Produced by Malik.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Aqua Malik. I'm actually been setting up some of these tanks here, so I haven't been making a lot of videos for you guys, but I have a special treat. We're going to be touring a Pleco breeding facility. More specifically, we're going to be touring Pleco Ceramics Pleco breeding facility. So I am not there. I'm in Toronto in Canada. They're in Europe. Because of COVID, I can't actually visit them, but they were gracious enough to send me the footage of their last few videos where they uploaded to YouTube. Highly recommend watching the video till the end because you don't want to miss out on the tour throughout their facility, as well as some of the cool stuff that they have going on in their tanks. Now, as a special thank you to all of you guys, we want to give you guys 20% off on Pleco Ceramics website. So if you go to plecoceramics.com and use the promo code Malik, you can get 20% off on all your dry good purchases, including Pleco caves. Now this is worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can buy caves from them and they will ship to you. So go to their website. Also subscribe to this channel and subscribe to their channel and comment on their video saying I subscribed, and then go to their website and you can get 20% off on all your Pleco caves as well as dry goods on Pleco Ceramics. Also, if you are in Europe and you want to buy Plecos from Pleco Ceramic, they deliver all over Europe, and you can also pick up in some parts of Europe like Belgium and Netherlands and stuff. So contact them and pick up Plecos from them. They have some of the best quality fish as well as ethically sourced captive born animals. So you're not going to be buying any smuggled fish, especially when it comes to sebs and stuff. So highly recommend checking them out. They have some really competitive prices and they ship all across Europe, and their dead on arrival guarantee is tip top. My friend Dr. Thomas picked up a bunch of fish from them recently and had a really good experience, and that's one of the main reasons why we collaborated. So highly recommend doing that, and watch the video till the end and subscribe to this channel as well as Pleco Ceramics on YouTube. I'll put a link to their channel up here, and comment on their video saying I subscribe and use the 20% promo code Malik, M-A-L-I-K. Without further ado, let's get into today's video.
Hi Pleco people, haven't seen you for a long time. I know that a lot of you guys asked us to post more videos on YouTube. Actually, we didn't have enough time for this. As you know, we started import Plecos, and it was quite difficult for us to post something new. But I promise that we'll post more interesting videos this year. So let's start it right now. Today I'll show you our breeding conveyor. Here on this rack line we have breeding tanks for adults. We use a mix of reverse osmosis and tap water in these tanks. Here on this line we have tanks for growing fry. We use only tap water here. When fry just hatched from the eggs, we pull them out from the cave and put offsprings in such floating boxes like this. We keep fry here throughout a month or a bit longer. Now you can see how many boxes with fry we have today. Here on this tank we have 333 gold line fry, Picoltia compta fry, 333 gold again, zebra Plecos fry, here again zebra Plecos. Look at this. Goldies again. Zebra Plecos. 2 boxes with zebra Plecos also. By the way, we have males on the eggs in these tanks right now. Gold line, 333 gold line, and and Picoltia compta. Here on this tank there are 3 floating boxes with fry. This is Hypancistrus 174. It's one of the smallest Hypancistrus in our hobby. Here on this tank we have box with zebra Pleco fry. You can see it. Here again zebras, freshly hatched offsprings from the eggs. So that's how it works in our facility. If you want to order something from us, please contact our manager Ellie. You can find her contacts here. We ship Plecos almost all over the Europe. We offer doorstep delivery. If you are outside Europe but you have a pet store or you can import live tropical fish, we can also make a deal. Please contact Ellie.
Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. We'll be doing a lot of collaborative stuff like this with Pleco Ceramics as well as other Pleco breeders and master breeders. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification icon so you do not miss out on any of the cool videos coming up. Also, if you want me to go to Europe in 2022 after COVID, comment below and let me know, because I do want to make a Euro trip and visit all the different fish rooms of all the different people that are collaborating with the channel and helping out, and our breeders in Europe, and I want to bring you guys that content. So comment below and let me know that you guys want me to tour Europe in 2022. As always, thank you so much for your love and support. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you all.